Hello everyone, this is Akriti and welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about male capsule wardrobe. I've already made a video on female capsule wardrobe. If you want to watch that video, link is given in my description. You can check and watch that video. Are you worried about your budget and you cannot buy new clothes every day? You think to make variations in your fashion, you need to buy lots of clothes. That's not the truth. You can have the style, the fashion you want in any budget. It doesn't matter how low it is. The key is capsule wardrobe. Here I'm showing you a version of male capsule wardrobe where I'll be giving you different kind of examples, showing you the pictures so that you can clearly understand how you have to style your dresses. So finally I'm going to start the topic now. First one is trench coat. Trench coat goes for both male and female. You should definitely have one or two trench coats and always go for neutral colors like grey, beige or forever liked by everyone, black. Black suit. You should have few pairs of suit and the black is must one. Your suit should be a perfect fit and if it doesn't fit you properly, you should get it tailored. You can wear one black suit every now and then in multiple ways. Motor jacket. Here I'm showing you one motor jacket which you can style in multiple ways. You can wear it in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s regardless of your age. Capsule wardrobe works for any age, every age group people. Button-up shirt. You'll think what's unique about it? Like everyone wears button-up shirt even when they go for their job, daily routine. You can see it everywhere. But do you really think they are making use of that simple neutral button-up shirts? No, you cannot just wear one button-up shirt for job or corporate purpose. You can play it in fun ways. You can wear it as casual wear. For example, you can wear one black t-shirt with a layer of pastel blue shirt. You can see the combination, it will give you a totally different look. You must have some neutral colors in it like pastel colors shirts if you have fair skin tone because it really goes with fair skin tone. And if you have dusky skin tone, you can go for example black, grey, navy blue or even white. White looks good on dusky skin. Knitwear. Here I'm talking about the sweaters we wear in winter. So you should definitely have one or two pair of knitwears and you can always go for neutral colors like beige, white, black, grey, goes with everything, every attire. You can pair it with every attire you want. T-shirt. Again you'll say t-shirt is just a simple dress to wear. No, you can play with it in different ways. If you remember the example I just gave you guys, you can wear a black colored t-shirt with pastel blue shirt. It gives a really good combination of colors which will highlight your features. Here you can do the same thing. You can play with one basic t-shirt in variety of ways and you don't have to spend lots of money to buy basic t-shirts. You can buy it from any store in your budget and it's really affordable. You will notice that in both male and female capsule wardrobe, mostly colors are muted because this is your base. This is the foundation of your capsule wardrobe because you can style those muted basic colors in multiple ways and this will save lots of money. Okay, now the next one is denim. Here I'll show you three pieces of denim wear which is in color of dark blue, mid blue and black. These colors of jeans never go out of style. Keep it simple, no ripped jeans and you can style it in multiple ways. Now it's time to discuss footwear. I'll keep it really simple and basic, colors like brown, black, white. So I'll start with white sneakers. You can wear it casually even when you go for jogging or some outing with your friends. It actually goes with everything, literally everything. It's so neutral, you can pair it with any kind of attire you want. Black boots. If you want to dress up your look, you can always go for black boots. But if boots is not your vibe, you can go for black shoes. It can either be casual or classic wear. Second one is very obvious, which is brown shoes. You can literally wear it with anything and everything. It's very versatile. You can go for square shaped toe with it. That's very unique and it's very trendy as well. Belt. Again, I'll say don't wear it for its function purpose, wear it for fashion. One basic example I'll give you here is a black belt with not much fancy golden buckles in it that looks really out of the trend. You can go for classic buckle with this much wide belt and you can pair it with your jeans, your pants, trousers, anything you want. That was the foundation of your capsule wardrobe. I'll give you a quick recap here, which is trench coat, motorcycle jacket, button-up shirt, knitwear, t-shirt, denim, white sneakers, black shoes, black boots, brown shoes, and finally the belt. A capsule wardrobe is where you should spend your money because it's never gonna go out of the trend. You can pair it in any time, in any year, and you'll feel this is a totally new look which I created and you'll look your best. I hope now you guys properly understood what a capsule wardrobe is. I hope that was helpful for you guys. So like my video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below the topics you want me to make videos on and you'll get my next video very soon. So stay updated, click on that bell icon and I'll see you next time. Bye.